Hello guys and welcome to another video of my YouTube channel. This week I'll be targeting the Nasdaq index to trade, and because there is a strong signal on daily chart that I've been waiting for this. So this is the double bottom, and the strong diversion with the RSI shows me very strong buy. Also there is a stock split on Amazon that everybody is waiting on the market. The Amazon stock will be with new price in Monday. It will be $122 per share instead of 2,450 like it was on Thursday, because Friday Amazon, we couldn't trade Amazon. So I wish you a profitable week to all of you.